So, good morning, Ratish Punj, and I welcome you on our one-to-one conversation with non-native English speakers. So,
Good
I'm
morning,
going,
sir.
yeah, very good morning. So, I'm going to ask you some question about your village and all things. So, first of all, I have to know where are you from?
Sir, basically, I used to live in a small village which is called Fatehgarh Chulia, which is like 25 kilometers far from Amritsar, where currently I am living. And I have been living in Amritsar for like 10 to 12 years now,
So, you
and
know,
which is also comes in Punjab district, Punjab state, sorry.
okay. So, can you tell me something about your Punjab state?
Oh, sir. Well, it is very renowned all over the globe, and due to its culture, and also the Bhangra dance is quite famous all over the world. And apart from that, this Punjab state has a lot of cuisines, which is also very famous, like kulcha and lassi, which is very popular. And there are also a couple of historical buildings is also there, like worldwide famous, stunningly beautiful Golden Temple, which is also located in my city. And it's an amazing state, sir. Yes.
Okay. So, I have never been to Punjab, but I have heard a lot about
Okay.
Punjab and the villages of Punjab. When I was a very small, my father went to Punjab and he stayed in one or two villages. And I have also
Okay.
seen a lot of, a lot of things about village of Punjab. So is
Okay,
it
sir.
right? The culture, the culture shows in the showed in the Bollywood movies. Is it right culture?
Yes, sir. To some extent, it is very much similar, and we are glad that they have chosen us and put us in an international platform. So definitely, it is quite true that what they showed that about our state, and definitely it's an honor, to be honest, like to have to have put it on an international platform that a lot of people see. So yes, sir, I agree with that.
Hmm. So one dish is very famous, sarson da saag and makke ki roti. So that's a very
Definitely,
famous
sir.
thing in Punjab.
Yes, sir, exactly, sir. And I, sir, request you to please come over, and I will, take you to the different places, and we can have different cuisines, sir.
Definitely. Actually, Ratish, this is my plan to visit all over India first. Then I will go to
Okay,
abroad because I want to know
okay.
my country first.
Yes, sir, definitely.
Okay.
And as I also heard that you have a lot of students living in USA.
Hmm. Yeah.
Okay, so are you planning to go to USA?
Yes, I'm also planning to go there because they invite me, sir.
Okay, sir,
Just
right.
come to us and how we work here. Look at our progress.
Right, sir, right.
Actually, I have
Yes,
a
sir, it is.
very close foundation with them. They used to come to my house
Okay.
for two or three hours. Apart from
Oh,
school,
right.
they used to come to my house, and we had a like the family relations.
Okay, the close knit family.
Really,
Okay,
and
sir.
they
Right,
like
sir.
my
Good to hear.
nature and whatever. So they have never forgotten me. Though they have been living in USA for 10 years and 12 years, but they have
Oh,
not forgotten me.
okay, sir. This is actually, the bond gets really stronger. I think
Yeah,
shows us that distance never matter. If we have strong feelings that it never matter.
yeah, distance doesn't matter for us now also. And thanks this technology, because of this technology we keep in touch.
Yeah,
Hmm.
definitely, sir.
Okay, so can you tell me about your village specially? What do you like very much about your village? You can honorably say that yes, I am from that village and this is the culture and this is the famous thing of my village.
Okay, sir. As I mentioned that I am currently living in Amritsar, and which comes in Punjab state. So there are a lot of places in Amritsar, especially if I talk about Golden Temple, which is quite well known, and the city also has some malls, which is also very famous, not just in Amritsar, but like to shop from there, because there are a number of brands which can be availed in those particular malls. Uh, Especially the Trillium Mall and Alpha One Mall is very much famous, and the city is like a shopper's paradise. To be perfectly honest with you, like there are a number of things one can purchase. Apart from that, the cities also has a famous like Jallianwala Bagh, and especially the Atari border. People from different states come to go to Atari border, and yeah, it's a complete package, to be uh, to be precisely speaking. So
Okay, how far is Pakistan from your village?
approximately it's a 25 kilometer.
Oh, so you live very close to border,
Lahore.
Lahore.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, yes, sir. Lahore.
Okay, so let me change your topic and I want to go to a new topic. Let's talk about your school. Where did you complete your schooling?
Actually, sir, as I said that I used to live in a small town, namely Fatehgarh Chudia, which is like 23 or 25 kilometer far from Amritsar. And I did my schooling from St. Francis Convent School, which was like 1 kilometer far from my house where I used to live. So from that particular school, I gained my metric education, sir.
So you have completed your education through English medium school.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay, that's why you are quite good with your English. Okay, you have a lot of confidence to talk, and
Uh,
you.
ye-
Then what happened
yes,
then? Did you move to other city to complete your higher education, or
yes, sir. And after that, after completing my uh, plus two from that particular town, I moved to Amritsar, and that's why because I had to complete my graduation from Amritsar, and the college was like 2 to 3 kilometer far, and that particular region really is forced me to move to Amritsar, and that's why we came here. And I have done my graduation in pharmaceutical sciences, and that's what's the reason, and I moved here.
so when did you start doing a job?
I started doing my job after 6 months or so. Like I completed my graduation in 2016, and then after 6 months or so, I joined a company, and I have been doing work for like 3.5 years now, sir. And I am thoroughly enjoying my work, because it's kind of a responsibility actually, because we have to test medicine on its different parameters about its size, shape, and of course the uh, quantity of the active ingredient present in the dosage form. So definitely it is quite challenging. At the same time, it's quite enjoying, and I am enjoying my work.
Okay, that's good. You are enjoying your job. If anybody enjoying his job, then definitely he can make progress in that field. What happens sometimes
Yes,
people
sir.
don't enjoy their job. That's why they never make progress.
Yes,
Hmm.
sir, I agree with you.
So can you share me which are the elements you enjoy a lot? It means what are the reasons you are enjoying your job?
First of all, sir, it whenever I go to a job, we usually get some sort of different stuff to to test, and every day is different there. So we have to sometimes we have to look on a books to how to test this particular drug, and that's why it is challenging, and that's why I like it the most, because sometimes I have to refer to my seniors about how I can test this particular medicine, of course, because this is a very interesting and a challenging the reason is because it is taken by millions of people afterwards. If any discrepancy happens, so that would affect put a negative effect on people who take the medicine. So I have to make it very precise and take a lot of precautions while testing, and that's why I like this job the most.
So in short, I can say you like challenging work and there is a challenge in your
Yes,
job. That's why you enjoy doing this job.
exactly, sir.
Okay, so that's good. Now this is your turn. If you have any question for me, you can ask me because we have very less time for you and two more speakers are waiting for that turn. You know that.
Yes, sir. Exactly, sir. Okay, sir. I would like to ask you a question that since I yesterday you have clarified all about the challenges you had faced in your life, because you
Hmm.
said that you were born in underprivileged family, and you don't have resources at that time, and once in 2001 you have faced a rejection in airline because you
Hmm.
was not able to produce fluency in English. Okay,
Hmm.
so I would like to ask you, like, um, after rejection, because it's a difficult phase for you, you know, to how to handle such situations. So I would like to ask you that what kind of who motivates you, like how you handle that particular state, particular at that point, and what motivates you at that time, sir? Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. Let me clarify. What happened that time? To get a job, it was a vital need for me because before that I tried to get a job in the security also. I tried to get a job as a waiter also because I wanted to survive myself anyhow in Ahmedabad, because I wanted to continue my
Yes, sir.
education. And without money, without job, I cannot, it was not possible to earn money, and it was not possible for me to survive myself. So anyhow I wanted to get a job. Then that was a golden chance for me to get a job at that early age. And you will be surprised, you know, package was 16,000 rupees per month that time. Means nowadays you can say
Oh,
it's a 70 or 80,000 rupees.
that's a lot, sir. That's a lot.
So that was a golden chance for me to get that job. Okay. But I missed that job because of only one reason: English.
Oh,
So I
yeah.
realized if you want to make progress, then I started talking with myself. If you want to make a progress, Prakash, then you have to learn English. Otherwise, there is no option. So the Sanskrit person started learning
Okay.
English. So this motivate me,
Okay.
means
Okay.
if you know
So
English, then you can make
basically, you are
progress.
saying that you self motivate yourself.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. So now, thank you very much for,
Hello.
yeah. Yeah. Can you hear me? My internet connection is very poor here today because I'm using hotspot. Danvi, hello. અહીંયા hotspot ચાલે મારો.
Am I audible, sir?
Hello.
Hello.
Ah, yeah. Okay,
Am I
okay.
audible, sir?
Yes, now.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Can I ask you,
Yeah,
sir, one more question?
yeah, definitely.
Okay. Okay. Are you always wanted to become a teacher?
Okay, that's nice question. Okay, that was not my plan to become a teacher because I wanted to get a job in
Mhm.
army. I wanted to be army officer,
Okay.
and
Okay.
that's why I completed my C
Okay, sir.
certificate with NCC.
And it, right, sir.
Okay, but
And
anyhow,
so,
okay.
sir, you look like an army officer.
So that was my dream actually that time. But what happened when I completed my post graduation with Sanskrit subject, and again I came back to my village and I made a plan to learn violin that time. Then I made a mind to go to Kerala for 6 years, but money was a problem.
Okay.
But anyhow, I just made a mind to go there. But what happened when I came to my village in 2004, my father was suffering from paralysis. And that time my three
Oh,
sisters were unmarried. I have total 6 sisters. You will be surprised. I have total 6 sisters. I don't have any brother. Okay.
oh,
So that time my three sisters were unmarried, and I had to start earning money. So I started my
mhm.
job as a primary teacher in the private school. And where because that time I
Okay,
started learning English, after 2001, I started learning English. So I was very good at English, means a little bit grammar. I know that I was quite enough to teach in the primary school, the little bit ABC and some grammar topics. But after
right,
completing
sir.
2 or 3 months, I enjoyed teaching because students started loving me. So from that day, I decided now I want to be only teacher, nothing else.
Okay, okay, sir.
Yeah.
Very nice, sir.
Mm.
And basically, first of all, circumstances forced you to become a teacher, and afterward, you started enjoying it.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, okay, sir. Nice.
Okay.
And sir, last question, please.
Okay. No problem.
Okay, okay. As you said that you're planning to speak on TED Talks, right? And
Yeah.
I would like to ask you that what would be the topic of your talks? Like, will you talk about your life? Because I find it very like interesting, and at the same time, it was very challenging for you. So, what sort of topic have you planned for TED Talks, sir? Yes, sir.
Same topic. You have just guessed it. How Sanskrit
Okay, okay.
student become
Right,
an
sir. Right.
English teacher. Title is how Sanskrit student become an English teacher.
That's very interesting. That would be very interesting, sir. I personally believe that.
Hmm.
And so, just a last one.
Okay.
And did Fakira caught the ball?
Definitely, you have to wait one more week, because Ratesh Punj,
Okay, okay,
you will see lot of drastical changes after this second chapter, and you will enjoy a lot. And
okay, sir.
actually, Ratesh, I have started writing something. And what kind of person I'm?
Okay, sir.
I accept making mistakes in my life. I accept, but anyhow, I start doing something. People criticize me,
Okay,
I
sir.
let it go. Okay, that is their right to criticize me. But what is my right? Do whatever I enjoy.
Yes, sir.
Is it clear? So I'm enjoying writing
Yes, sir.
something, and actually, this is the thrilling story, not a simple story. This is a thrilling
Mhm.
story. At the end of the 5th chapter, you will say, "Wow, what an imagination!"
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. We will wait for it. And people criticize. We just get polished from them, because we able to know our mistakes, and we can improve ourselves. So it's a part of life. It
Yeah,
doesn't
I
matter,
take
sir.
positively.
Right?
Actually, I enjoy.
Yes,
Someone
yes,
is observing
definitely.
you. Actually,
Yeah.
someone is observing you, and he has the time to say something you.
Yes, sir. Yes.
So he is your
Yes,
mirror.
sir.
Okay, you
Exactly.
don't need to buy any mirror from the market. Okay, he is your
Yeah.
mirror, and you can see any problem on your face. Then you can find out, and you can work on that. So I thank the
Yes, sir.
criticizers who
Yes.
criticize me. I thank.
Yes.
Hmm, okay. So thank you very much
Yes.
for joining us, Ratin Spunj, and see you again at 9 o'clock with new topic, with new enthusiasm. Okay, see you later.
Thank you, sir. It's an honor to be a part of one-on-one
Okay, so now
conversation
you
with
can
you.
leave a meeting,
I
then
will
I
not
can
answer.
admit Nageshwar down. Now you can leave a meeting.
Right, sir. Okay, sir. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you.
Okay.